Hello and welcome. I'm Charlotte Shanti. I'm a Kinesiologist and Educator, and I work together with the 5D Lightship City of Lights. Welcome. Today I want to demonstrate the restoration and stability after chaos crystal tool. This is a crystal tool that has been coded in collaboration with the 5D Lightship City of Light and the Golden Child energy. So today I want to take you to the place where it was coded, and we will listen to the Golden Child energy and hear what this crystal tool can help you with. So if you just like to lean back, feel the energy that you are sitting in right now, and I will change the frequency to the 5th dimension and invite you inside the Lightship City of Light. And we are here. So you may notice there is a presence now that wasn't there before. You may feel more relaxed just by being here in this energy. So what we will do is to switch on the crystal tool, restoration and stability after chaos. And the first thing you can do is to look at the crystal tool. Look at the different facets and the colors of this quartz, this natural quartz. It's a bit difficult to catch with the camera, but there are areas that are absolutely clear and areas that are more milkish. But when you look inside this crystal tool, you connect with it and you activate it. So if you just take a moment to look at the crystal tool, and now notice how it activates and it connects with your energy system. Out streams the Golden Child energy. It is a huge energy coming from a parallel universe, and it is here to help you and everybody on Earth on our ascension. It is a golden stream of energy. The energy is working on your personal power and for you to become who you truly are. And in order to be that, you need to be whole. And all the traumas and experiences that you may have had in this lifetime or in past lifetimes need to be healed. And this is possible with this crystal tool. It is called restoration and stability after chaos. So this is what the crystal tool brings. You work with this crystal tool by looking at it, and it activates, and now the Golden Child energy is here, and it starts looking at your energy system. And it finds all the places where you have been overwhelmed, where you have felt sad, when you have lost somebody, when you have felt that everything didn't matter, when your world fell apart, and many, many more experiences. And then it prioritizes in when the different things are going to be healed. So there is a process, and that process starts with the first item in the priority list. And you can keep on looking at the crystal tool, look deep into it to see the changes with your own eyes, or you can lie down and close your eyes, and it will start when you hold it in your hand and just squeeze it lightly. Then the same process will start. And it is a very soft and gentle way of working with whatever experiences you may have had. The energy will never overwhelm you because you have already been overwhelmed. The Golden Child energy wishes to bring you into balance and into your personal power and into being who you truly are. So this is a loving way of working with traumatic experiences and to give you that stability so that you can progress in your daily life and on your ascension. So even if you have worked with, some people call it their dark sides or shadows before, this crystal tool, because it is made in the 5th dimension, will go even deeper and into your multidimensional reality together with the Golden Child energy. So it is a beautiful way of working and preparing you for the Golden Age. Just looking at the crystal tool now, and it seems even in this recording, it seems more clear. So maybe you sense that in your energy system also, that something is changing. So if you would like to work in depth with the restoration and stability after chaos crystal tool, we have them in our web shop, and they are all coded by the Golden Child energy in 5D Lightship City of Light. You find all the information below, and you can even read more about the function. So we hope you have enjoyed this introduction, and you're also very welcome to contact me if you have any further questions. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for being here. And I'll see you again. Bye bye.